Hi everybody, Alex Pro here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the exclusive markets copy service and how you can test social trading copying without a broker account or any money. So social copying is very simple. Basically what it does, it allows you to automatically copy the exact same trades placed by a successful trader. As simple as that. There are a lot of people that are still scared of copy trading, and that is why I made this video, to show you that you can actually test copy trading without having a broker account or having any money. And basically it means you don't need to be an expert. You can take advantage of the experienced traders as they make their trading decisions while you automatically follow their trading act. Exactly. Okay, so just to repeat, you can test before you invest. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test social copying services without opening a live account or risking real money. Before we go any further, I must warn you that Forex trading is risky. You can lose all your money. Past history is not a guarantee that those results will be achieved into the future. But in this video, you can see that you're not risking any money. All you're doing is experiencing the service as if you were investing in these accounts. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into the exclusive markets copying service, and you can do that by using the link in the description of this video or in the first comment of the video. Here is a QR code that you can use, and you can also use this link that appears at the top here to go directly to the copying service. Now, once you're on the copying service, all you do is you scroll down like this, and you'll get to okay, so here's a list of all the accounts that you can link to, and I have actually filtered this list for Expert Forex accounts to keep it nice and simple. And we're going to have a look at how you can now test these accounts without a trading account or any money. So let's say there's a very popular one that you might want to test. So the trick here is you put it onto your watch list. There's a watch list that you can use, and you just add it to your watch list. So I'm adding that. I'm going to add another 2 or 3. Here's a very good one, nice and smooth equity chart. I'm going to watch that one. And then let's just go and find another. Oh, and here's an even smoother. This is the smoothest one you can find. Really good return, very small drawdowns. So we're going to choose that. Okay, so now I'm going to go down and see if I can find another one. And here's another one that's actually has a very nice smooth equity chart. And I'm going to put that on my watch list. Okay, so now we've got 4 items on the watch list, and what you then do is you go to your watch list. So you click on watch list, and there are the 4 items that we've linked to. Now here's where the trick comes in. You can see there's a column called return, and you can see the date. It says from today's date. This is Saturday, so the market's closed, and it will now record for you all the gains that have been made from today's date into the future. So for instance, let's say next Saturday you sit down and it will tell you the gains made by those 4 accounts that I have just selected. So that's how you do it. You don't need a trading account. You don't need money. You can just add those accounts to a watch list, and then after a week or even longer, after 2 weeks, you can have a look at how much money you would have made, and you can then decide which accounts to link to. So for instance, if you've linked, maybe put 20 accounts on your watch list, you can then say, okay, I'm going to trade the following accounts with live money. Fantastic opportunity to learn all about copy trading. Now I've already shown you that smooth equity charts is one of the criteria that I use, but then the other main criteria, if you're new to this type of thing, is to look at an item called maximum drawdown. How you get there is you get to equity, and it will tell you the maximum drawdown for the trading account. Now, you don't want that number to be too big, and it should be good in relation to the total return that was earned. Here you can see the age. It's a 3-month account. It's made 45% and with a maximum. Pretty good account to follow. But that's how you do it. You find the maximum drawdown, you look at the smoothness of the growth chart, and you look at the age of the account and put it on your watch list. So the next step is simply to go to this copying service that I've just shown you how to. Find the link in the description, use the QR code, or use this particular, or use the link that appeared in the previous slide, and go and enjoy the copy service. Go and test it, have fun with it. It's very uncomplicated. You just add a whole lot 1 week, go back a week later, and see how much money you would have made. Now, I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope this encourages you to start experiencing the benefits of copy trading in a very easy way that doesn't require a trading account or even any money, not even a demo account. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.